Now let us see the excluded value, a value that makes a rational expression p of x divided by q of x in its lowest form undefined is called an excluded value. Okay, so nothing but already we know that the rational expression in which form p of x divided by q of x. Okay, so numerator one polynomial and the denominator another one polynomial. So in the after one condition we have seen in the rational expression q of x should not get 0. Okay, so q of x if you get 0 mean that value is undefined, already we have seen. Okay, so now see here the excluded value means a value that makes a rational expression is undefined. So which value makes that expression is undefined mean that value is called an excluded value. Nothing but see this example, the rational expression you can consider 5 divided by x minus 10. Okay, so when you can say this value is undefined, so this denominator part if you get 0 only, that value is undefined you can say. So now see here the denominator part x minus 10. Okay, so this is the x variable, x instead of which value if you substitute mean the denominator part you can get 0, x instead of here minus 10 you have, then 1 plus 10 if you have in only that part it will become 0. Okay, so 10 minus 10, so x instead of 10 if you substitute only that denominator part 0 you can get, then afterwards you can say that is undefined. Okay, so that value is that 10 is called an excluded value. So which value if you substitute in the denominator that makes us a denominator 0, that value is called an excluded value. See here, to find excluded value for a given rational expression in its lowest form p of x divided by q of x, consider the denominator q of x is equal to 0. You want to make this undefined, so that excluded value means which value while you are substituting here it makes the denominator 0, that value is called an excluded value. So you can consider the denominator part, that means this is a p of x, this is a q of x. So then q of x you can consider as a 0, then only x value you can get. So x is equal to this 10 minus 10, if you take it on the right side x is equal to 10. So this value if you substitute here only the denominator part it will become 0, then you can say that is undefined. So this value is called an excluded value. Okay, so which value if it is making the denominator 0, that value is called an excluded value. Now let us see the example 3.14. Now see the question. Find the excluded value of the following expressions. So 3 questions they have given. So already you know that excluded value mean which value while substituting the denominator part it makes us the denominator 0, then you can say that is undefined. That value is called an excluded value. Okay, so now see then one question, what is the excluded value for that the expression. So now see here the solution. The first question, x plus 10 divided by 8x. Okay, so the expression x plus 10 divided by 8x is undefined. So when it is undefined, if you get 0 only you can say that is undefined. So let us consider the denominator part as 0. This is the p of x, this is the q of x. So you can consider q of x is equal to 0. Okay, you can consider. So q of x is equal to 0. Q of x here what is it? Is 8x. So 8x is equal to 0. Then x is equal to what value you will get? 8 if you bring it on 0 divided by 8, that is 0. Okay, so then x instead of which value if you substitute here mean that denominator part it will become 0. So see x is equal to 0. 8 into 0, 0 only it will come. So after x plus 10 divided by 0 mean that value is undefined. So keep it in your mind, the excluded value mean which value if you substitute here it makes the denominator 0, that value is called an excluded value. So instead of that one you can consider the q of x is equal to 0. So then only you can identify the x value is what. Okay, so when 8x is equal to 0, then x value is 0, you have got it. So this is the excluded value. This value if you substitute in the denominator it will become 0. So x plus 10 divided by 0 means that is undefined. Okay, so that value is called an excluded value. So the next second question, 7p plus 2 divided by 8p square plus 13p plus 5. So 7p plus 2 divided by 8p square plus 13p plus 5 is equal to, so the numerator same thing you have to write, but the denominator can you factorize or not? Yes, you can factorize. So in all the question if you can factorize, first you have to factorize. Okay, so 8p square plus 13p plus 5, how will you factorize this one? This is a quadratic equation. So quadratic equation, how to factorize, you know that. See that product, what is it? The coefficient of p square and the constant term you have to multiply. So 8 into 5, that is the product. So 8 into 5, the product is 40. Okay, 8 5s are 40, and then sum means the coefficient of p in the center term. Okay, so the coefficient of p, that is 13. So sum value is 13. Okay, so now you are going to identify which two same number if you multiply you have to get 40, and that same number if you add it means you have to get 13. So what are the numbers are possible? 8 and 5 is possible. Okay, 10 and 4 is possible. 10 fours are 40, but that while you are multiplying you can get 40, but while you are adding you cannot get the 30. So now these two numbers are possible. See, 8 and 5. 8 and 5 if you multiply you can get 40. 8 and 5 if you add it means you have to, you can get the 13. So afterwards the coefficient here 8 you have. So number you have. So 8. So then both one you have to divide it by 8. So 8 divided by 8. Here 5 divided by 8. So 8 divided by 8, if you cancel it mean 1 it will come. So now afterward 5 by 8 it will come. Okay, so then what are the factors? Here the variable is p. Okay, so then for first factor is 1, second factor is 5 by 8. So then write p plus 1. The next one what it will come? P plus 5 by 8. So then this and this multiply. Okay, so 8p plus 5. So like that only you have to write. Okay, so this one factor, this another factor. So now see here, so you need to make this the denominator 0 only, then you can say that is undefined. Which value while you are substituting here, it makes the denominator 0, that value is called an excluded value. So now see here the expression 7p plus 2 divided by 8p square plus 13p plus 5 is undefined. When it is undefined, so this part, the q of x you can consider as a 0, then only you can identify p value, which are the values you can apply here. Okay, so now see here p plus 1, this denominator q of x. Okay, q of x is equal to 0 you can consider, then p value you can identify. So p plus 1 into 8p plus 5 is equal to 0. So p plus 1 is equal to 0 or 8p plus 5 is equal to 0. P plus 1 is equal to 0 mean p is equal to minus 1. This is one thing. Okay, one value. So the next one, 8p plus 5 is equal to 0. Then p value how we can find out? 8p is equal to minus 5. P is equal to minus 5 by 8. So these two values if you apply here, it will become 0. Okay, so this value, which value while you are applying the denominator that makes the denominator 0, that value is called an excluded value. So what are the values while you are applying the denominator? Minus denominator in the minus 1 and then minus 5 by 8. If you apply here, then it will become 0. So then you can say that is undefined. So these two values are called then excluded values. So the excluded values are minus 1 and minus 5 by 8. Okay.